David completed his undergraduate studies in accounting 3 years ago. He was unable to find a job in the formal sector. He has been working as a waiter to support himself until... Eric and Emily are hardworking parents. Their daughter Neo recently matriculated from high school. Eric and Emily could not afford to send Neo to university until... Patricia is a single parent supporting her 2 children. The eldest girl is attending college. Her son is a keen sportsman in high school. Patricia works as a PA at the same firm for the past 25 years. She was recently informed that she is to be retrenched due to bad economic times. This really stressed her until... Johnston is 57 years old and works as a mechanical engineer. He currently earns a good salary, but he recently realized that his pension wouldn't be adequate and that he would need to supplement his income after retirement. He was unsure what to do until... Isaac's wife passed away 10 years ago. He is reasonably comfortable financially, but he is lonely and wasting away reading books and watching TV. He did not know how to be productive until... Dorothy is a sunny, bright woman with a warm smile. Although she is physically disabled, there is nothing wrong with her mind. She is unable to find gainful employment and had to rely on social grants for survival until... Until what? What do these people have in common and why are they smiling? They attended the C2 Wealth Builders Forex Foundation training, and they are now trading Forex successfully from the comfort of their home and steadily building wealth for them and their families. C2 Wealth Builders, building your wealth, one trade at a time. www.c2wealth.co.za